What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now this is what the dentist never told you or never will tell you, because it's actually inexpensive. It's so simple. It will get rid of the plaque, it will get rid of your tartar, it will get rid of your decay, okay, and fresh breath too. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, alright, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Let's dive into this video. Over time, the mix of sodium bicarbonate with water can wear down the enamel, since it's an abrasive agent that works by scraping at the teeth with small powder-like particles. Brushing your teeth with baking soda can be an inexpensive and more natural way to care for your teeth, whiten up your teeth, give you a fresh breath, but you have to use it once in a week, okay, so it does not wear down your teeth enamel. And also we're gonna be making use of apple cider vinegar as a powerful supply of the probiotic fiber. Pectic apple cider vinegar helps to maintain a healthy oral microbiome. In turn, this helps to prevent tooth decay. It also helps to maintain a healthy gut, and it also helps to whiten up the teeth. And then we're going to be using a little bit of salt. You can enjoy other benefits of brushing teeth with table salt. And then we have to use Colgate. Now this also helps in giving the mixture of foamy texture, so as we can brush the teeth very well with this. So for the baking soda, we're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of that. We're going to be taking just a pinch of salt, just a pinch. We'll be needing half teaspoon rather, of apple cider vinegar, and we're going to be pressing in some good quantity of paste in this. Now we would have to stir this all up. Alright, so the paste is ready, and now let's go and brush the teeth with this. Alright guys, so here is my plaque removal. Recommending things for people who do have plaque. So what you do, use this once in a week guys. Don't use it more than once in a week, just once in a week, okay? Alright, so let me brush my teeth like I used to brush on a regular day. Like that. It's foaming. It doesn't taste bad. The taste is very friendly, and it's good. It will help to remove all of the dental plaque, tartar, and decay. Alright, so do not forget to brush your tongue, because like this is evening already anyways, and I've already brushed my teeth this morning, but this is going to be the second time brushing my teeth. So you can see my tongue. So what you need to do is to brush out all of those leftover food on your tongue. That is actually what is actually giving you bad breath. The number one reason why you have bad breath is that your tongue is dirty. So you have to brush in a circular motion. So after you brush, don't forget to spit it out. And yeah guys, use this once in a week, and trust me, number one is going to help you for your bad breath, number two is going to help you to remove plaque, number three is going to whiten up your teeth. Okay, so that's basically what he does. Okay, so that's it guys, do this once in a week. I'm repeating it like 3 times now. Okay, and your teeth is gonna be sparkling white and your breath is gonna be nice. So I'm gonna go wash my mouth and I'll be right back. So that's it guys, those are the very few ingredients. If you have this already in your house, it's actually so inexpensive and it's just going to do the job for you. It's going to remove all of your tartar, dental plaque, decay and mouth odor, and you're going to begin to feel good with your dental. Yeah, because your teeth is going to get sparkling white and your gum is going to get healthy, and your gum is not going to get inflamed. But you have to use this once in a week. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and